beta? Yes, to form soil, how many years does it take? How much time does it take? Boys, do you hear me?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yeah. How much time does it take for the soil to form?
Ma'am, your
Thousands
screen
of
has
years.
gone.
Yes, ma'am, your screen has gone.
Someone is presenting? If someone's
Yes,
present?
ma'am.
Presented and
Frozen.
then stop presented.
Yes.
इधर ही होगा.
Hush.
Now can you see?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.
Okay. Please be careful, beta. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. So soil takes thousands of years to form, but can take few seconds to be removed, either by wind or water, which is known as soil erosion. You agree with me?
Yes.
Why is this happening? Why is it increasing so much? Because of human carelessness. Humans have become rather selfish. They're not bothered about nature. What do you say? They're not bothered
Yes,
about
ma'am.
nature. And that's why the problem has started. Now, this topsoil, which is otherwise very fertile, they are removed either by rainwater, rivers, wind, or waves. This phenomena, this process is called as soil erosion. On the right hand side, you can see, just make it over here, due to the wave
Ma'am, your
action.
screen is blur.
Now,
Okay, now okay.
fine. Now, over here on the right hand side, I'm showing you a picture where due to the wave action, it has become flat. Can you see this?
Yes.
This portion has become flat. This portion has become flat. It was a rocky portion, remember that. Okay? So we have to be now very careful. We have done this. Have we done this better?
Yes. No, ma'am, not done.
Doesn't matter, we will do it again. So I think I've done it. I've showed you this, that the roots are exposed.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine, no problem. We will do it again, okay? Fine. Start it.
Yes. Bare
Start.
soil. Soil in which no plants are growing. More susceptible to erosion than soil covered by organic matter. Erosion. Normal and natural process. Number one. Content.
Constant.
Constant constant movement of wind and water on Earth's surface. Number two, drawbacks.
What are the meaning of
Remove.
drawbacks? What is the meaning of drawbacks, Vika?
Ma'am, don't know.
Disadvantage. Disadvantage. Then you should ask me. That is what I'm saying to you. While
Okay,
reading, if you're not aware of certain terminologies, you should ask me. You should stop me.
okay, ma'am.
Fine, good. So what is it? Drawbacks?
Remove.
Now you tell me. What is the meaning of drawback?
मैम ये जो साइड में पिक्चर दिखा है ना वो.
Disadvantage.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Removes valuable topsoil. Over 25 billion tons of soil lost due to wind and water erosion can lead to desertification. Deposit soil in underestimable places. Farmers
Undesirable.
undesirable places. Farmers need healthy soil for
Then you
planting.
have to write, just a moment, Sahil. You have to
Yes,
read
ma'am.
what is written in the bracket. What is the undesirable place? With what is written in the bracket?
Bodies of water.
You have to read
Farmers
that
need
also.
health.
Beta.
What, ma'am?
You have to
Your
read
voice is
some.
cutting.
I said whatever is written in the bracket, that also you have to read.
Okay.
Ah.
Deposit soil in undesirable places, i.e., bodies of water.
It
Example,
is that
bodies of
is.
water.
Hello. Whenever I'm
That
stopping you,
is,
beta, stop. It is that is. Please
that is
understand what I'm
bodies
saying.
of
Yes.
water.
Thank you.
Farmers need healthy soil for planting. Humans rely
Rely,
on
rely,
water,
limited.
uncontaminated water for drinking,
Uncontaminated. Uncontaminated.
uncontaminated
Good.
water for drinking, living. Soil can contaminated water for with pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Cause, cause
Causes.
deforestation, cause deforestation. Logging and slash and burn. Plants anchor on in
Hmm.
O and A horizons of or soil. Removal of plants makes soil susceptible to
Susceptible.
erosion. Over cultivation of agriculture fields.
Agricultural.
Overgrazing agricultural fields. Overgrazing. Urbanization.
Good.
And what is meaning of urbanization?
I will explain. Making more cities. Okay?
Okay. All of these will continue to make arable land for farmers hard to find.
What is
New
arable?
technique must
You
arable.
did not, you did not ask me, so I'm asking you. What is arable?
I forgot.
Yeah, it is a land, it's a piece of land where we can cultivate. We can grow
Okay.
crops for agricultural purpose. That is arable land. Okay?
Mhm.
Fine.
Yes.
Next.
New techniques must be utilized to preserve the integrity of the soil.
Okay, good. So now we will see what exactly causes, how the erosion happens, what has to be done, what are the disadvantages of it. Everything we're going to see in this slide. Bare soil. What is the bare soil? That is a naked soil. Soil does not have any cover. It is naked. No plants are growing. When no plants are growing, the soil is naked, so it is susceptible. It is open. It is exposed. So it is open for soil erosion. What do you say? Soil erosion can take place easily. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes.
Yes? Fine.
Yes.
So soil
Yes.
erosion can take place. Now we also know that erosion is a natural process. Have we made it? Or it is in nature already? Can we stop the movement of water and wind? No. Can you stop the river?
No.
Can you stop the air moving? No. So it is a natural process and a normal process. And we also know that the wind and water are always moving on the earth's surface. It's not because it's a natural phenomena. What are the disadvantages of erosion? The very first and foremost disadvantage is, very importantly, that it removes the topsoil. Very important, significant topsoil, which is very rich in organic matter known as humus. The topsoil is removed. Second, by this water and wind erosion, more than 25 billion tons of soil are lost. What I said? More than 25 billion tons of topsoil. It is lost. And if this erosion is unchecked, if it continues for a long period of time, then what we get? Desertification. What we get, beta? Hello, are you there?
Desertification.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So what happens?
Desertification.
Desertification. Very good. So I will be asking you questions. So please be alert. No? Be alert, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
In undesirable places. That is
Ma'am,
bodies
your
of water.
voice is not coming.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
hello. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
fine.
Coming.
Okay.
मैं पहले से बराबर ही आ रहा था वो.
Okay. It's again network problem. It
Yes, ma'am.
happens that way. Okay. Fine. Now, for example, this is the bottom of the river, right? The deposition and the level of the water was like this. Now what will happen? When the deposit is becoming more, the level will increase. What do you say? Then we will have the level like this.
Yes.
Yes or no? The level of water will rise up and can cause flood also. Okay?
Yes.
Next, what farmers require? Farmers need rich soil, healthy soil. What is the meaning of healthy soil? Can you give me the answer, Vita? What is the meaning of healthy soil?
जिसमें जल्दी क्रॉप उग जाए.
Where you can do crops. The soil which is
With
having the
human.
top soil. Yes, which is having humus. Very good. Which is rich in organic matter, which is rich in insects, which is rich in earthworm. These soil are called as healthy soil. And obviously farmers need this healthy soil for growing crops. We as humans, we depend on the water which is uncontaminated. Because if it is contaminated, then it is not fit to drink and for living purpose. The soil, due to erosion, can contaminate water. That soil could be from agricultural land, which is rich in pesticides and maybe some other chemicals, can be deposited in water, and that water we drink. So obviously we are taking all the pesticides and other harmful chemicals inside our body. This is the disadvantage of soil erosion. How it happens? How this erosion happens? First, very important, or the foremost feature is the point is deforestation, cutting of forest. Okay. Second is logging. That means you are cutting the trees. That is logging. Slash and burn. Certain piece of forest area has been cleaned or cleared, and the people who are staying in dwellers who are staying in forest, they cultivate a patch of land. They get grains, they harvest it, and they keep the twigs. For example, over here, now this is the land. They keep the twigs like this. They cut it, all the grains. Remember that they cut all the grains. Yes, the topper is
Yeah.
gone. This remains on the land. This is called a slash technique. What it is called as slash. That means they have removed the grains and
Flat.
kept the stock of the plant, and then they will burn it. What they will do better? You must have observed this when you're going on a highway on the either side of the road. you have
Yes,
got
we
all this
burn.
agricultural land, they burn it. This is called slash and burn technique. And the ashes, what they get, it makes a cover on the soil because this ash is rich in organic matter. Because plant is organic, do you understand now? So it
Yes,
adds to the richness of the soil. This is slash and burn technique. Okay, now you have understood. Moreover, we know that the roots of of the plant is observed in O and A horizon, where the roots penetrate inside the soil profile in O and A horizon of soil. We see the roots. So it is anchoring the plant. It is holding the plant by spreading their roots inside the O and A horizon. Now, if I remove the plant, if I remove the, what should uproot the plant, what will happen? What will happen? That portion of soil which was otherwise held by the roots very strongly, they become loose. It is susceptible to the erosion either by wind or water. Over cultivation of agriculture fields. That means I've taken a piece of land and I keep on cultivating again and again without giving a break. Which break I'm talking about? Without giving a break to the land to breathe. What happens? It becomes barren. It becomes devoid of certain nutrients from the soil and we don't get the productivity. Next is overgrazing. Goats and sheep, while eating the grass, sometimes they or the plants, sometimes they uproot it. Boys, do you hear me?
yes,
They uproot it. So what happens? That uprooted portion is exposed to the erosion. Okay?
yes,
Overgrazing is
yes,
also
ma'am.
adding to erosion. Next one is
Yes,
urbanization. Making the cities grow because we are highly populated. Remember that. So from where we will get more land? Only forest areas. So we
forest
cut
area.
forest. Yes, we cut forest and expand the city.
Yes,
Got my point now? Now,
we should not
whatever
cut
become
forest.
exactly. Now, whatever happening, whatever things we are doing, now it is becoming very difficult for the farmers to grow more of arable land because most of the land is going for urbanization, making more
Cities, yes,
cities. Yes. So now the land is not available to farmers to grow more crops. What will they do then? And moreover, due to erosion, the land is becoming infertile. So we are not getting that much of productivity.
yes.
Understood?
We should not cut forest.
Exactly.
We should
Yes, we should
save
say.
them.
See over here, see the roots are exposed. Can you see the roots?
Yes.
You
Yes,
see the roots exposed? And after some time, say this is erosion. After some time, this will fall down. The tree will fall down because the erosion is continuous. The erosion is continuous, beta. Okay?
yes.
Now we come to mass movement. Please read. Please read.
Not,
Hello. Please read, beta.
Sanraj, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, beta.
Okay. Mass movement. Mass movement is the movement of weathered material down on a slope due to gravitational force. The
Forces
weathered material forces. The weather material is not transported by any agent or
of.
erosion. The movement can be sudden or gradual,
Very, very
gradual
gradual.
depending
It's
on
very
the yes, ma'am, on the
steepness.
steepness of the slope, amount of weathered material, and presence of rainwater in the soil.
Good. You can see over here, it's a slope. You see the slope? Otherwise, it was
Yeah,
all green color. See, it's all green color. Can you see this green color? This is a slope, and the weather material is coming down due to gravity. Can you see over here? See, so it is coming down due to gravity. Do you understand?
And it is naturally,
Yes, beta.
it is natural
It is
weather
natural. It
slope.
is natural. So the material is weathered. What is the meaning of weathering? You know that I told you the rock particles, the big rock particles are broken into small rock particles, and that from there became the soil. Don't you see? Yes or no?
Yes.
In the soil profile I've taught you. Now, why the material is coming down? Due to gravitational forces. How it is coming down? Due to gravitational forces. More the steepness, the movement will be faster. Okay? And if it is sloping, then movement, the speed will be less. This is sudden or a gradual fall of the amount of weathered rocks. And if there is a raining, if it is raining, for example, say now it is not raining. For example, if it is raining, then the erosion is fast. Erosion will be fast because it will fall along with the water flow. You can also see erosion. Due to erosion, the rivers will take lots of sediments along with it. See, you can see over here. Now, this is the river. You see this river? It is carrying along with them too much of sediments, lots of soil particles, which will sediment at the bottom of the river. Wherever it is depositing, it will sediment over there. Okay? When it is flowing, it will carry on with them. It will take on with them. When the speed becomes slow, it starts depositing. The sediment starts getting deposited at that particular area. So you can see this erosion. See the rocks are cut. You see these rocks? These are cut due to
Yes. Erosion.
due to wind erosion. You got my point? And over here you can see what is happening on the sides. This is due to water. Understood? Hello? Understood now? All these
Yes,
cuts you
ma'am.
can see all these layers, all are due to wind erosion. Remember that. But from at the bottom, which is having a contact with water, this is water erosion. Okay? Now, how to prevent soil erosion? Please start.
Ma'am,
Please
I
read.
read.
Yes, anyone can read it.
how erosion, deforesting, overgrazing,
Deforestation. Please read properly.
deforestation, overgrazing, flood and heavy rainfall, improper farming,
Okay. Then what do you have to do?
plant more plant more trees and cut less trees. Overgrazing in a same overgrazing in a same path path of land should be avoided. Terrace farming, should be adopted in areas.
Okay,
Hilly
in
areas.
hilly areas. Fine, good. First thing, I think most of the things we have already done. How do we prevent soil erosion? How soil erosion is happening? So these are the causes. First is deforestation. Soil erosion happens. Overgrazing. Again, soil erosion happens. Flood and heavy rainfall. Soil erosion takes place. And if the farming techniques are not proper, again soil erosion takes place. How to stop it? What we have to do? Plant more trees. That means in front of that, you have to cut less trees. Then only your purpose is served. So you have to plant more trees and cut less trees. Take a piece of land, and if I take the animals, the grazing animals, to the same patch of land, obviously erosion will be observed. But if I keep on taking them to other patches of land, erosion will be less. In hilly areas, you have to do step farming, that is terrace farming. Why? Because you know that when the water is falling from top,
Ma'am, if there is a stop,
yes,
the water will come down, then the soil will also come with water.
exactly, but the force will be cut down. The force will reduce because of the step farming.
Yes, ma'am.
And if there is no step farming, then it will come with a high speed. It will take lots of soil along with it. You understand? So erosion will be more in the steep farming. But in the step farming or terrace farming, the erosion will be less. There will be erosion, no doubt about it, because it is coming with a force, it is coming with the gravity. But when I'm cutting and making a step, so the force of the flow of water is reduced. So erosion is reduced. There will be erosion, but the amount of erosion will be less. How can we prevent soil erosion? Start.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Start with it. How
Read.
can we prevent soil
How
erosion?
can we prevent soil erosion? Plant grass and ground cover in huge, expensive gardens and one sports fields. Never leave em-
Embankments, embankment,
embankments or sloped gardens bar and export. Ensure that homes and other buildings have adequate
adequate.
draining and water collection systems. Adopt a small piece of land outside your property as your own. Create a disliked for bare and open space around your home, schools, universities, etc.
Thank you. Now, what do we do? It's meant for you people, better. If you get some places, open places, plant grass, don't leave it open. So there should be a cover on the ground, in maybe in gardens or in sports areas. Sloped gardens should not be kept.
Ma'am, cover of big rock.
Yes, yes, yes. So the gardens which have got slopes should not be kept naked or exposed for erosion, but it should be covered
And
by
soil erosion will not
plants.
be.
Exactly. Third, you have to check wherever you are staying that that place have got drainage system and water collecting system. That area you should go for. And if you are having your own bungalow or your own separate house, see to it that you get certain place, certain area of your own so that you can cover that. Because you can plant it, you can make a garden of your choice. And wherever you see open areas, wherever you see that a land piece is without any covering, see to it that you cover with certain crops. Okay, this is the only way to prevent soil erosion. Now we come to soil conservation. So
Soil.
how do we manage to conserve soil?
Okay. Soil conservation. Several management practice
Several,
unit
better this, several.
several several
Several
management practice utilize to conserve soil resources.
resources.
Resources. Number one, return organic matter to soil. Number two, slow down effects of wind. Number three, reduce amount of damage done to soil by
Tillage.
till, tillage tillage.
Tillage. Blowing. Hello? Hello? Okay, his audio is lost. Can anyone pick up?
Okay, animals waste and the
Examples?
what, ma'am?
Say examples. Use animal waste and
And the residue of
residue.
plants residue of plants to increase the amount of organ और मैम मिश्रित शेख ने प्रेजेंट किया लेफ्ट
Why is
हो
it?
गया
Can you see my slide?
ज्वाइंट हुआ मैम मिश्रित
I know, but can you see my slide?
नो
No, ma'am.
Why you people are doing so? You have to stop it then. The second time it's happening. Don't do that.
Sunlight is doing.
Yasin Khalwazar is doing like that.
Conversation today.
The second time you're making me do it. It's not okay. Okay? Can you see?
okay and amount of organic material in soil modify tillage practices to reduce the breakup of soil and reduce the amount of erosion counter
Contour flowing.
pole
Contour. Contour.
contour
Say
polling and strip planting. Use trees and other wind barriers to reduce
barriers.
force of winds.
It's barriers.
Yes.
Fine. Now, how do we conserve soil? How we can avoid more of erosion of soil? So we have to conserve it. We have to hold the soil now. So there are lots of varieties of management practices for this purpose, that is conserving soil. First is whatever organic matter is not there, you return the organic matter to soil. That means the soil should be made rich with organic matter. Or what is called organic matter, beta? The decayed organisms, that is, decayed plants, insects, animals, which has been worked out by the decomposers, that is, microorganisms, and they mix with the soil. This is what is to be done for soil conservation. So the soil should be made organic rich. Okay? So when it becomes organic rich, so
Yes.
obviously it is holding onto the soil. They are not loose, they are bound. When it is bound, it slow down the effects of wind erosion. What do you say?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Also, when there's a tillage, when we plow the soil, so the damage that is due to wind erosion is also reduced. Yes or no? Hello? Because it is hold,
Yes.
it is being held. It is not loose. So
Yes.
if the wind is blowing, so it is reduced. There will be erosion, no doubt about it. There will be erosion. But the amount of erosion will be reduced because of the presence of organic matter in the soil. Okay? For example, how do we use it? We have to use animal waste, that is cow dung, and the decayed portion of plants so that the organic material of the soil is increased. The tillage practices, what is otherwise done by the bullocks and the what you call it, tractors, so that the soil is broken. Okay? So we have to improvise. We have to modify these practices of tilling by contour plowing and strip planting. Let's not go into detail. We should only know that the practice should be improved. That's it. That's how you have to remember. Also, wherever I find that these are the places where wind blows very fast, so what we will do, we will make a strip. We will grow tall trees in such a manner that they will reduce the force of the wind. So we will make it as a barrier. What we will do better, we will make it as a barrier. We will plant trees, the lines of trees will be planted alternately so that the wind force is reduced and the wind erosion does not take place. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, please read.
Okay, ma'am. Conservation. Soil erosion has made soils infertile. Unscientific methods of
Very good.
cultivation has led to low
Lead,
yields
lead,
of huh?
lead, lead. It is
lead,
not lead, Baba, it is lead.
lead, lead
Partial
of
complete.
crops and washing away of the per- percused
Precious.
topsoil. Precious,
Precious.
top, precious topsoil. Soil conservation means to take measure to protect कहाँ गया? To protect the topsoil from big being
Being.
eroded. Being eroded. There are several methods to conserve soil. Number one, control
Good.
following,
Flowing.
plowing, terrace farming and building,
Bunding.
bonding, shelter, bleeds.
Belts.
Number four,
Read
belts,
properly, please.
plug in on
Of.
gillies
Of
of
gullies.
gullies.
Gullies. These are the ways where we can stop the erosion. We can have a check on the erosion. So this soil erosion, just 1 minute, ma'am. This soil erosion makes soil infertile. We all agree with it? Yes? The farmers who are using these methods of cultivation which are not scientific, what happens? The crop yield is reduced and also the topsoil are removed. So erosion takes place. So what exactly is soil conservation? We have to protect the topsoil so that the erosion does not take place. What are the ways to conserve soil? So these are the methods. One is contour plowing. Second is terrace farming, that we know that. Third is shelter belts. Just now I told you that we will keep a row of trees which will act as a wind barrier. So that is called as shelter belts. Plugging of gullies. Now, you must have observed in this gathering field that if there's a downpour, if there's a heavy rainfall, so you can see the gullies forming on the field. Have you observed that? Small, small gullies will form on the field. So when the gullies are formed on the field, they take all the soil, the topsoil along with them. So what we will do, we will plug them. We will hurdle it. We'll put an obstruction in those gullies so that the erosion of the soil is reduced. Okay? This is the last. Can we continue, beta? This is the last slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue, beta.
Conservation.
Contour
Con-
planting.
Contour planting. Plant across a hillside. Plant across a hillside and instead of up and down slow runs off. Strip
Now see
farming.
strip farming.
Planting and alternating crops in strips across land in combination with counter
Planting.
planting. This
It slows
slows
erosion.
erosion.
Terracing.
Terracing. Similar to strip farming, land in shaped level ridges of land and created to hold water and soil in place. More expensive and time
Consuming.
consuming but allows cultivation on steep
Grades.
gu-
Grades.
grades and increases